Friends, I welcome you again to the IPL series of Astro forecasts about the performances of the players. Today we take up the match between Deccan Chargers and Rajasthan Royals to be played on 17th April. The chart of Kumar Sangakkara as available with us shows he's having debilitated Mars and Sun in his chart. Moon in Aries being aspected by Sun and having an exalted aspect. Jupiter in Gemini, Rahu exalted and Venus is debilitated. He is under the influence of Rahu. And from 19th March, his period of Mercury has begun in Yogini Dasha. Rahul Dravid's chart as available with us, it is indicating he is under the influence of Venus Jupiter, and there is a change in his Pratyantar which might be of Rahu from 17th or 18th. So this is a changing period which Jupiter Rahu indicates Chandal Yoga. So far he has been successful in this IPL series by and large. Let us see whether this Chandal Yoga plays into game in this particular match against Deccan Chargers or not. Transit wise, his draft gets a little bit diluted in comparison to the last match which they won against Royal Challengers Bangalore. And Kumar Sangakkara's chart, transit wise, it is comparatively better and should give some boost to them. I am not saying this that they are going to win or they are going to lose, but their performances and the team's overall performance may be such that they might be appreciated and their presence would be felt. This is what I understand. Now let us take the chart of players. So in the players of Rajasthan Royals, Brad Hogg and Brad Hodge, both their drafts are slightly up in this match in comparison to the last match. Fawaz Shah is consistent. Ajinkya Rahani's draft is slightly down in comparison to the last match. Now the question is, he scored a century in the last match, and in this match again the century is ruled out, but it is not a question of century. He won't be able to score too much of a runs in this match. Of course, not satisfactory. It might be still a good performance. Say he might be again able to score some 30-40 good runs or more than that. Amit Singh might be consistent or little bit down as his chart indicates. If Kevin Cooper comes, he has to be content with some average performance. John Botha may again be having average or similar performance. He has not been able to give any extraordinary performance, but still he has been doing okay, and he might still be continuing with that or similar like that, a little bit plus minus. Ankit Chauhan's chart indicates improvement. Ashok Minaria has a comparatively better day. That means he will have a chance to come on the field and to bat for some time, as it appears to me. Pankaj Singh is consistent but slightly down from last match. Siddharth Trivedi might be consistent and may repeat a similar or little bit here and there performance in this match. Now we come to Deccan Chargers. Deccan Chargers case, Sangakkara, as I already mentioned, his chart is indicating some improvement. Daniel Christian's chart is also showing some improvement. Cameron White also showing some improvement. Amit Mishra is having a good day. He can put up a spirited performance. He should be the man to watch. Bharat Chipli may find it difficult to do something worthwhile in this match. Parthiv Patel, he might have a satisfactory day or a little better, but then he didn't do anything worthwhile in the last match. So how far better it would be, that's a different thing. How far it would be effective for the team, that can't say, but by all means it would be better than the last match. Shikhar Dhawan may have a satisfactory day or a slightly better but outstanding innings is ruled out from him. But still, he should be able to do something between satisfactory to good or even good. Dale Steyn is again showing some consistency and spirited performance. Dwarka Ravi Teja may improve a little in this match. Ankit Sharma and Anand Rajan and Manpreet Goni also have a good day. Overall, it seems that Deccan Chargers on this day, they may not be perishing against Rajasthan Royals as Royal Challengers Bangalore's perished. It seems that there would be some contest. What would be the outcome? That in T20 match it is always difficult, but let us see and let us see what happens. Wishing all the best to everybody.